Hi everyone, Mick here, Melo Nuggets Adventures. Just want to show you a quick little hidden void I found underneath. It's not hidden, they do tell you about it when you purchase the van, but we've never done anything with it. So I've actually been designing and I've put in a little water tank. So let me just turn the camera here. We'll head on in and I'll show you what I mean. So pull the kid's bed up, and in the middle, on the other end over the back, there's your hot water system. But in the middle here, I've put a little water tank and pump. I'll show you how to plumb it all up later, but it's just sitting in there for now, just checking out spaces, sizes, getting ready to bolt in. We'll stay tuned and you'll see the end result.